Auto capitalization is simple and almost always worth keeping on. It automatically starts sentences with a capital letter, so you don't need to think about pressing Shift every time. The only time it becomes frustrating is when you're typing things like emails, usernames, or code, where capital letters need to stay exactly as you enter them. Autocorrection is useful, but only if you stay aware of what it's changing. If you find yourself constantly undoing its suggestions, it starts slowing you down instead of helping. At that point, it makes more sense to turn it off and rely on check spelling instead. It underlines mistakes but doesn't interfere while you type, which gives you more control without interrupting your flow. A practical way to use all three together is this. Keep auto capitalization on. Use check spelling as your safety net. And be selective with autocorrection. Leave it on if it helps you, and switch it off if it starts getting in your way.